Hello everyone. There are more 4 questions which are triple star and very important in state lines, 4 marks. So the question is, find the points on the line 3x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0 which are at a distance of 5 units from the point 3 comma 2. Okay, so there is a line which is 3x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, on this line there is a point which is 3 comma 2, and the two endpoints can be taken as a and b, right? We don't know the coordinates of a and b. Okay, so this point is at a distance of 5 units from this middle point, right? A and b. Okay, so we have to find the coordinates of a and b. In order to find the coordinates of a and b, we should use the parametric equation. Okay, because the coordinates of a and b are dependent on the other factor, which is distance here, which is 5. So this can be taken as equal to r. So we have to use the parametric equation. Okay, for that we need an angle first. Okay, so given line 3x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0. From this line we can get the slope m is equals to minus a by b, which is equals to minus 3 by minus 4. Negatives gets cancelled, so it is 3 by 4. So we know m is equals to tan theta. So from here we can get tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. Okay, so the tan is opposite by adjacent, right? So if we find the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem, what is the formula? Hypotenuse squared is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse we are not having, so it will remain in opposite is 3 square plus 4 square, which is equals to 9 plus 16, which will be 25, and the root 25 value will be 5, which is equal to hypotenuse, right? So from here we can write the value of sine theta as 3 by 5, right, opposite by hypotenuse, and cos theta as adjacent by hypotenuse, right? And let r is equals to 5 units as we know it given in the question. Let a and b be the points which are at a distance of 5 units from 3 comma 2. So the required point will get can be given by the parametric equation, that is x1 plus or minus r cos theta comma y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Okay, so the given point in the question 3 comma 2, right? 3 comma 2, this will be our x1 and y1. Okay, so x1 value is 3 plus or minus r value is 5, cos theta value is 4 by 5, comma y1 value is 2 plus or minus 5 into sin theta value is 3 by 5. So 5 gets cancelled out, so we'll be remaining with 3 plus or minus 4 comma 2 plus or minus 3. So this will be equal to 3 plus 4 comma 2 plus 3. This is the positive, and we can get one more point which is negative 3 minus 4 comma 2 minus 3. So this can be written as add up, so it is 7 comma 5, and another point will be minus 1 comma minus 1. So a is equal to 7 comma 5 and b is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. Our next question is, find the point on the line 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0 which is equidistant from the point minus 5 comma 6 and 3 comma 2. So there is a line which is 3x plus y plus 4 equals to 0, and it has a point which is equidistant from 2 points a and b, which is given in the question minus 5 comma 6 and 3 comma 2. This point which is equidistance, we can take it as px comma y. We have to find that point. Okay, so consider, let px comma y be a point on the line 3x plus y plus 4 equals to 0, which is at given equidistance, right? The condition is equidistance, so it is PA is equals to PB. Squaring on both sides, so it is PA square is equals to PB square. So here distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This root and square gets cancelled, so we are only remaining with this factor. So it is x minus of minus will be plus, so it is x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to, same for the point B, so it is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Applying the formula of a plus b whole square, so it is x square, 5 squares are 25 plus 2 5s are 10x plus y square plus 6 are 36 minus 2 6 are 12y is equal to, here also x square plus 9 minus 2 3 are 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Cancelling out the same terms both the sides, so we'll be remaining with 10x minus 12y. 36 plus 25 is 61 is equal to minus 6x minus 4y. 9 plus 4 is plus 13. Now transposing these terms over here, so it will be 10x plus 6x minus 12y plus 4y plus 61 minus 13 equal to 0. 10x plus 6x is 16x minus 8y. 61 minus 13 is 48 equal to 0. Taking 8 common, so will be remaining with 2x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. So our equation is 2x minus y plus 6 equal to 0 is our equation 1. Given line is 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. So it will be x, y, 1. Starting from the middle, the coefficient of y is minus 1. Then the constant term is 6. Then the coefficient of x is 2. And again will be minus 1. Here it will be 1, 4, 3 and 1 again. So it will be x by minus 4 plus 6 is equals to, minus 6. Okay. And y by 6 3s are 18 minus 4 2s are 8 is equals to 1 by 2 1s are 2 and minus of minus will be plus, 3 1s are 3. Okay, this is minus, so it will be x by minus 10 is equals to y by 10 is equals to 1 by 5. So x is equals to minus 10 by 5, which is equal to minus 2. X is equals to minus 2, y is equals to 10 by 5, which is equals to plus 2. So the px comma y is minus 2 comma 2. Our next question is, show that the line 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 23 equal to 0 are concurrent, and find the point of concurrency. So it is given in the question that the three lines are concurrent to each other. So concurrent is nothing but the three lines meet at a common point. Okay, then the three lines are said to be concurrent to each other, and this point is called as point of concurrency. Okay, so in order to prove their concurrent, first we will get the point of intersection of two lines. Okay, that will be only the point of concurrency. So solution, given lines 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 as line 1, 3x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0 line 2, 2x minus 3y minus 23 equal to 0 as line 3. Okay, solve 1 and 2. So it is x, y, 1 from the middle. So it is 1, minus 3, 2 and 1. Second equation 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3 and 2. So it will be x by 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Here it is minus of minus. So it will be plus 6 equal to y by minus 9 and plus 4 equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 ones are 3. So here it will be x by 4 is equals to y by minus 5 and here it will be 1 by 1. So it will be x is equals to 4 by 1 that is equals to 4 and y is equals to minus 5 by 1 that is equals to minus 5. So the point of concurrency is 4 comma minus 5. And what we have to do is substitute this point in equation 3. Substitute 4 comma minus 5 in 3. So is equals to 2x minus 3y minus 23 equal to 0. So it will be 2 into 4 minus 3 into minus 5 minus 23 equal to 0. 4 2s are 8, minus of minus plus, 3 5 15 minus 23 equal to 0. So here it will be 23 minus 23 equal to 0. Therefore, the given lines are concurrent. So the next question is a straight line through Q 2 comma 3 makes an angle 3 pi by 4 with the negative direction of the x-axis. So as we know, there are the two axes x and y. This will be our origin, right? So one straight line is there. There is one straight line. Okay, this straight line has a point Q 2 comma 3, right? And here will be the positive direction, this side will be positive and this side will be negative of the x-axis, right? So with the negative axis it has make an angle of 3 pi by 4. Okay, and if a straight line intersects the line x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 at P, so there is another straight line. Okay, this straight line is x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 and this has a point P. So what is the distance between PQ? This we have to find. Okay, let it be R and this P will be x comma y as we have no coordinates of P here. Okay, so we have to get the distance of these two P points P and Q between them. Okay, so solution given Q x1 comma y1 is equals to 2 comma 3. Let PQ distance equals to R units. Let Px comma y be any point on the straight line x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Take it as equation 1. Okay. Now we have to know the point of towards the positive direction. Okay, negative we should know the positive. So it is 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 which is equals to 3 into 180 by 4. 4 ones, 4 4 is 16 and 2 4 5 is 20. So 3 into 45 is equals to 135. We know that on a straight line the complete angle will be equal to 180. So 180 minus 135 will be equal to 45 degrees, right? So here given should be theta should be, we should take pi by 4 which is equal to 45 degrees with the, this is with positive direction of x-axis. Okay, now we should use the parametric equation to get the point pxy should be equated with x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. Okay, so the x1 value is 2 2 plus r into cos 45 degrees pi by 4 comma 3 plus r sin pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2 comma 3 plus sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. This can be written as 2 plus r by root 2 comma 3 plus r by root 2. Right, this p lies on the line, right? P lies on 1, which is x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Substitute x and y in this equation, we'll get 2 plus r by root 2 plus 3 plus r by root 2 minus 7 equal to 0. 2 plus r is 2. 2 by root 2 plus 5 minus 7 equal to 0. So it will be 2 by root 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 goes there. So it is 2 by root 2 is equals to plus 2. 2 ones cancelled. So it will be 1 by root 2 is equals to 1. So this will become 2r. Substitute 2r, right? It is r here. So r is equals to root 2, which is nothing but the distance between p and q, which is equal to root 2.